Well, no parties though, you guys. So for today's video, we have Silk WHITELINE showing his receipts of him sending Peanut Dread money on more than one occasion out of the kindness of his heart. So let's get right into the video, alright?
Peanut Dread, me know you're not dummy. I will collect your money.
Since me get my own page, and me collecting my own money right now.
So Peanut Dread, if you will collect your money, I have 72,000 subscribers. How much thousands of views? You come say the YouTube money not enough?
The YouTube money, not enough.
Alright, so I'm to the few grands. What me say to the Western Unions?
This money,
yeah,
it just it carry me on, eat and drink. I have to buy gas and me have to pay, me have all internet, me have to pay internet bill.
Well, the people them want bust me head, say me not broke no bread, and I me a rob you.
You know, don't misinterpret like me not getting nothing, and like me getting robbed.
Alright, so what you really want to tell the people them?
People can really contribute to assist me to really finish my little building.
Well, real helping hand, link me, ask them to use my platform and give a helping hand. So me go post you, many people them can give a helping hand.
Then I would be grateful.
Let me address, I gotta just address this for once and for all. You see me? Yeah. Small move for myself with that no, man. I'm that man. Big up to everybody who are checking. Zane, share the live for me a little bit more. People, push up your live for me a little bit more. Zane, I can address this. I'm type something. I can put as a caption and pin it. Eh? Peanut Dread issue. Peanut Dread. Peanut Dread issue. Big up all the fan supporter them. Oui. No. But alright, anyways, yeah. Peanut Dread issue. I'm for start from. All the people in the live. Hold on. Oh. I'm pretty sure no say when you see me stop use Peanut Dread video them, right? Hello, I'm on live. Let me attack. I stop use Peanut Dread video them for about the past 2 to 3 weeks them now. 3 weeks or a month? About a month. About a month now, I stop use Peanut Dread video. Everybody asks me, want Peanut Dread, they need Peanut Dread. I don't respond to nobody. I gotta explain out everything to everybody now. See? First of all, let me start by saying this. The only person who owe Peanut Dread are the man who take Peanut Dread, video Peanut Dread, and tell him to talk and put up Peanut Dread on YouTube. That are the man who owe Peanut Dread. Whoever that person that is. I don't know who it is. But other person that owe Peanut Dread. See? Alright. Now. Hold on. No. See? That being said, Slick WHITELINE been a give Peanut Dread money. Me don't have to come on live. Me don't have to make no video and me don't have to talk say me I give Peanut Dread money. Me not depend that. You see me? Cause me don't need to do that to get clout. Me naturally have skills, me have talent. And my talent speak for itself. My talent make me get clout. You see me? Me taking Peanut Dread video them and chop them up. And my brain at work. And me have to know what to fit in to make Peanut Dread say this, to make this funny, to make the place have a vibe. And my brain at work.
That's how you started off in the first place.
Boom. Watch your style you know. See?
So you started with Bobby Cat first.
Hold on, man. Yeah. Me I gotta show you something now. Share a photo. Okay, yeah. Let me see something now.
Make sure my bank card here is
Your bank card, I got it on it? So why you never tell me say for deleting?
No, it's on the last. I think it's on the last ending.
Okay. Alright. I'll try all of them. Oh shit. How you do this now? Eh? I can't hold it for now. Yeah? Alright, may I start with that one first. I'm gonna start with that one first. May I start with the introduction of peanut dread. See? People, that Persia, I don't know if you remember one page named Peanut Dread fan page. See? Peanut Dread fan page is a youth who drop out. Cool youth. The youth did have kidney problem. But the youth they introduced me to Peanut Dread. See? The youth they helped me out with all of my video them. Most of my video them. The youth they used to help me find the video them and I put them together and put them out. So me normally send money to the youth they took, because the youth they did sick. Very, very important. I'm going to find one receipt with the youth still, but I saw it go. How me take it off box him? No, choose different assets. How me take it off back? Turn out the comments. Alright, I'm going to turn out the comments in for a second.
Add more.
More. How me change it though?
I think.
Oh, okay. Alright. People, when you see Simone Powell, this is my wife. My wife deal with all of them little transactions for me, you see me? Boom. More this receipt when I show you from when me I send money to him. See? What the date upon this? Available May 2021, right? 18th of May 2021. See? So me I sent, what we now, 2022? But I think me I sent from 2020 though.
Yeah, I'm good.
You have more receipt?
Yeah.
Alright. People, this was the last time I sent Peanut Dread money. The last money when I sent Peanut Dread was $300. See? 44,000 Jamaican. See? What the date there?
That was on the 8th of October.
The 7th of October. People, the 7th of October I sent Peanut Dread money. You see, the 8th of October, Peanut Dread called me and tell me say he need money. I have to send him money again. The 8th of October, I sent Peanut Dread $300 the 7th of October. And the 8th of October, the man called me again, so I'm send him more money. With money in the background, I say, yo, tell him if he send this amount, dog. Tell him if he send that amount. Brother, I have mind community. I have 2 pitney me have, you know. Me have 2 daughters. Me no mind community. Peanut Dread don't have a mind of him own. You understand? Other than me sending, and this are just a few little receipts when me find, me know I'm sending more than this. See? Other than money when I send Peanut Dread. Peanut Dread book for Canada. The promoter called me and want book me for Canada. Me can't fly. Me stuck in America. Me can't fly. You know what I tell the promoter say? Link Peanut Dread, make Peanut Dread get the run. The man link Peanut Dread, and me and the promoter talk on the phone for days, and the man sort out Peanut Dread, everything sponge on Peanut Dread record, whatever I have to do, and Peanut Dread have show Canada. Me set up that. Mr. Leng call me for sting. Mr. Leng call me for sting, people. Slick white line. Mr. Leng call me for sting. Mr. Leng.
You're not supposed to talk on something.
It's easy, man. Mr. Leng call Peanut. Matter of fact, Mr. Leng, hold on. Let me add Peanut Dread on the phone. 3 way. Me, Mr. Leng, and Peanut Dread on the phone. 3 way. For Peanut Dread go on sting. See? So when me can't do financially, me try to open doors and push doors so Peanut Dread can get the run. So him can go work and help himself. You see what I say? People.
you're not supposed to say all of that because Mr. Lane probably don't even know that. Yeah.
Peanut Dread don't have a mind of him own. He make people in his brain. And Peanut Dread is that type of person like this. You give him today, him cuss you tomorrow. More than one time, me and him go through the same thing.
Because he doesn't remember things.
Me don't know if him no member. Me don't know if him have something sick with him brain. I'm turning about the comments. Take off this and turn about the comments. Stop sharing. Alright, turn about the comments.
Wherever he has video on him.
Alright, yeah. Peanut Dread, you will give Peanut Dread money today and him cuss you tomorrow. You give the dog money today and the man cuss you tomorrow. You see what I say? And these are things where I never ever come on social media and talk, but because I not look views off of this. And this are negativity, I not look views off of this. I bring vibes and joy to people. You see what I say? Yo, amount of links me give Peanut Dread if him wish for talk. Me don't know who the man have around him and telling them something, but it's just so weird.
Because they're stealing his money.
It's so weird. The youth when him Blex or Vex or whatever I'm on, you would have video him first. Me hear him complain about the man so much. I never say a word about it. I don't business about it. All me have to say is, the man will turn on the camera and tell Peanut Dread to start talk at him or Peanut Dread. Whatever him a collect off of Peanut Dread money, him need to give Peanut Dread. Slick, leave it alone for my heart clean. My heart been clean and still clean. But it a get over now. You see what I say? The cup are full now. Me say you, remember you know, a month. Me see the comments them. Me just skip past them and just keep on going and do my work. Because I know I'm there for a purpose. And I know the people them love see me. If you come off of Instagram now, me guarantee you will miss something. I not ask, I tell you no. Every day I make it my point to do it. If my head hurt me, if my belly hurt me, I still get up and I try and make a video. You know how much time me sad? I mean put out a video to make sure I'm still going.
But it's not just Peanut Dread. How much time you send money to people?
So only not time to make sure I send money to Bada Cat. Only not time to make sure I send money to Miss Donna. Only not time to make sure I send money to Queenie. Only not time to make sure I send money to Amari. Only now time to make sure I send money to all these people, other people I'm splice up. Talk to me the people. I'm not cuss everybody. You need not cuss for a reason. I'm not talk everybody because most people have sense. But for the people that we attack, we're not forgetting the facts right.
On the last month that you sent him, in car and beg you money because he wanted to finish building his house.
You know what matter of fact? The last money when I sent to Peanut Dread never begged me. I remember how it go. Me sip on YouTube, Peanut Dread build a house. At that me sip on YouTube. Me see when YouTube come up, when I build him house. And me call him the next day, and I say, Peanut Dread, me have a piece of food. Take it. People, me not rich. Me not rich. God see I know me not rich. But me can try. You see me? Me have 2 youth. Me have a friend for me youth them. Me have bills. Me live in a Mary Maca. If you're not careful, the Maca will juke your bow ya. You see what me I say? And me alone, me I take care of. Me a baby enough enough people. The truest story me can tell you now. Enough pot me put on fire Jamaica. Simple as you see it. Me not have to walk and talk my business. Me don't rich. Me don't have it. Me have bills to pay in America. You see what me I say? So all me I say to you is don't listen to the hype. You see what me I say? Do not listen to the hype. Me make it my point of duty to stop use Peanut Dread video them because I see say it go too far now it cause problem. You see, I come off of the live here. You see the I'm a tougher. The GoFundMe thing where you see up now. I me the people them call. The people them call me. Slick. You have any connection to Peanut Dread? I say, here what go on. I tell them the truth. You know Peanut Dread, I not really. But here what go on. I go give you Peanut Dread number, you go link Peanut Dread, and you go do the right thing. So guess what Slick I go do now? I go end the live. And I go put up the GoFundMe thing. So all who want do what them a do, them do what them a do. Me don't want the money come through me. Me don't want involve. Me not use Peanut Dread video no more. You see what me I say? Big up to all who support me, continue support me. You see what me I say? Enough love and respect. That is it.